It's a stunning morning at Victoria Harbour in Victoria, British Columbia, Canada. From my spot on the harbour pathway, I could tell something exciting was about to unfold. Entering the Upper Harbour, the tugboat Peggy McKenzie was making her way in, towing the Salish Sea Industrial Barge, assisted by a smaller tug at the stern. When you see a barge with a crane heading in, you know exactly what's coming. The Johnson Street Bridge will soon be lifting, clearing the way for the barge to pass through on her way to Point Hope Shipyard.
Attention all pedestrians and cyclists. Johnson Street Bridge is in the process of being raised. Please exit bridge beyond the gate. Attention all pedestrians and cyclists. Johnson Street Bridge is in the process of being raised. Please exit bridge beyond the gate. Attention all pedestrians and cyclists. Johnson Street Bridge is in the process of being raised. Please exit bridge beyond the gate. Attention all pedestrians and cyclists. Johnson Street Bridge is in the process of being raised. Please exit bridge beyond the gate. Attention all pedestrians and cyclists. Johnson Street Bridge is in the process of being raised. Please exit bridge beyond the gate. Attention all pedestrians and cyclists. Johnson Street Bridge is in the process of being raised. Please exit bridge beyond the gate. Attention all pedestrians and cyclists. Johnson
The Johnson Street Bridge is a single-leaf bascule bridge, a marvel of engineering that was built in 2018. It replaced the historic Blue Bridge, which had served the city for over a century. At night, the new bridge is lit up a stunning blue color, a breathtaking addition to the harbor's beauty. Here she comes, the Peggy McKenzie, towing her precious cargo, the Salish Sea Industrial Barge. Be sure to stick around. Once the bridge lowers, I'll take you on a self-guided tour of this incredible barge. She's a true workhorse and plays a vital role in marine projects along Canada's west coast. Salish Sea Industrial Services is a unique partnership, proudly owned by the Songhees and Esquimalt nations in collaboration with Ralmax. Based right here on the Salish Sea, their team leads important marine construction and environmental cleanup projects along the British Columbia coast. Since 2012, they've been working to remove abandoned vessels, restore marine habitats, and support a wide range of land and marine projects. From bridge construction and terminal maintenance to habitat restoration and remote operations, they do it all. Salish Sea Industrial Services is also home to the Salish Sea Aboriginal Training Program, creating meaningful employment and training opportunities for Indigenous peoples. It's about protecting the waters, creating opportunities, and giving back to the community.
Oh, we can't go up here, no? But we can go up over here. There's some steps for you to climb up here. Ready? Do it. Over here.
Come down. All right, buddy.
Thank you. Usually that gets to work on ships kind of like this sometimes.
This is what a tidy shop looks like on a barge.
Hey, look, here's where the mess. They can relax.
This is a lunchroom. Got a little stool here.
Yeah, it's great.
All the wet weather gear.
Get to relax in there. So.
Yeah. Dad gets to work on ships like this sometimes. Yeah. Nicer than these ships you go on. Can you see this? It says don't go. No entry.
It's just a big empty space. Story time. Okay.
You can hear the gentle hum. Fire extinguishers. Here's me going upstairs. No hands. Look, Ma, no hands. Oh my gosh, I am just so ecstatic to be here. Somebody else just as excited as me.
Probably not, right? It's okay.
Thank you for joining me on this waterfront adventure. From the Johnson Street Bridge lifting to welcome the Salish Sea Industrial Barge, to the bridge lowering after she was safely guided home, and of course, for coming along on a self-guided tour of this incredible workhorse of the West Coast. It's always inspiring to watch the skilled tugboat crews in action and see firsthand the important work being done to protect our coastal waters. If you enjoyed this video, I'd be grateful if you'd give it a thumbs up, leave a positive comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Your support truly means the world to me, and I can't wait to bring you along on the next adventure. Until then, take care, and I'll see you back here soon along Victoria's beautiful working harbour.